Been in every bar, been in every honky-tonk, been trying to find my daddy with that broke down piece of junk. Ask everyone to help me, cry help me if you can. You know my daddy, he's that trumpet playing man. Where is my daddy? Tell me where is my daddy with that big long trumpet hand. I even asked a man that played a steel guitar. He said that you don't need him to be moved air to the bar. He bought his amplifier and he hitched it in my plug. He planked it and he plonked it, but it just wasn't good enough. 'Cause I need my daddy with that big long trumpet hand.